Never let me down. Give me higher ground, baby, lift me higher now, now. Turn me right around, never let me down. Give me higher ground, baby, lift
Relax and take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Throw you in a choke, gun smoke. Biggie smokes for mayor, the rap slayer, the hooker layer. Motherfucker, say your prayers. Hail Mary, full of grace. Smack the bitch in the face, take her Gucci bag and a North Face off her back. Jab her if she act funny with the money, yo, you got me mistaken, honey. I don't wanna rape ya, I just want the paper, the visa, Kalisha. I'm out like the papers. Who's the one you call Mr. Macho? The head honcho, switch this like macho. I got so much style I should be doing with the stylistics. Wake up to wake up, niggas need to wake up. Smell the Indonesia, lead you to a seizure. Then fuck your moms, hit the skin to amnesia. She don't remember shit, just the 2 hits. Her hitting the floor, and me hitting the clips. Sucking on the tits, and the hooker begging for the dick. And your moms ain't ugly, love, my dick got rock quick. I guess I was a combination of House of Pain and Bobby Brown. I was jumping around and jumping around. Chapter then I asked her who's the man, she said B.I.G. Then I bust in her E.Y.E. You're dead wrong. The weak and the strong, who got it going on? You're dead wrong. When I get dusted, I like to spread the blood like mustard. Trust it, the hardcore rain leaves you rusted. Move over, Lucifer, I'm more ruthless. Leave you toothless, you tip it, I flip it. Tears don't affect me, I hit them with the G. Disrespect me, my potency is deadly. I'm shooting babies, no ifs, ands, or maybes. Hit mommy in the tummy if the hooker plays a dummy. Slit the wrist, the little sis. After she sucked the dick, I stabbed her brother with the ice pick. Because he wanted me to fuck him from the back. But smalls don't get down like that. Found your father hiding in the room. Fucked him with the broom. Slid him down the back and threw salt in the room. Who you think you're dealing with? Anybody step into my path is fucking feeling it. Hardcore, I got it sucked like a pussy. Stab you to your gushy, so please don't push me. I'm using rubber so they won't trace the semen. The black demon got the little hooker screaming.
So wie geil. Zwischen den Bäumen durch. Das ist geil. Da höre ich schön ab, dass dieser mit dem Helm dazu gemacht wurde.